Hello everybody, so this is your girl Pooja here, and today I'm again back with another amazing video for you guys. And in today's video I'm going to talk about some good achievements of mine that I did in 2021 and some good habits that even you guys can adopt in your day-to-day life. So without any further ado, I will straightforward jump into the video. Today's video is about some of the most amazing habits that I formed in 2021 and some good things that I did and that I think you guys can also do so that you can have a beautiful and fulfilling life. I know I'm behaving a little extra today, but I just like this vibe so much. So without any further ado, let me take you guys to the very first point and one of the most important aspect of my year. That was financial education or handling personal finances and stuff. So this is I guess I will count this year as my journey into earning. I mean, yeah, being a teen, earning at 15 and 16 is kind of really amazing experience. At least I feel so. And I guess I earned considerably well as a teenager, so I'm happy with that. And as they say, with great powers come great responsibility, and with great money comes financial education. But people think with money come with spending, so no, financial education is very much important. And I took it on myself to learn a few things about personal finance, and during this journey I came across Rich Dad Poor Dad book, and guys, that book is a gem. You guys should certainly read it. I also wanted to read Psychology of Money, but this year I just let it go because too much information can slightly mess with my mind. So I just let it go. And apart from that, I guess budgeting is a very important aspect that our mothers have been doing ever since, and our fathers believe in it. And I guess being teenagers, it's important that even we learn about a few things here and there about money, handling money. As I'm not 18 yet, so I can't really invest. So currently I'm just saving money and sometimes impulsively buying books. Still, I'm saving money till that time that I hit 18 and I'll finally be able to invest. So yeah, till then it's all about budgeting and saving a little bit of money here and there. And apart from that, if you guys want to know that how I actually keep a track on how much I'm earning, how much I'm spending, so you can check out my Notion video. I would link that video in the description so that you can see how I do it, and you can create your own template in Notion so that you can also do the same. So the next important thing and one of the most amazing thing I learned this year is to switch from timetables to to-do list. So what happens here is often we make timetables that are very much generalized, and we know that not each day of our life is same. So it's very important that you don't make timetable, but rather make a list of the things that you need to do that particular day. What this does is that now you know what are the tasks you need to finish, and you also know where the time in your day is gonna go, so you can plan your day accordingly and put the task in its own place. And hooray, your work is almost done. I guess using this I have achieved like 75% productivity this year, and I'm trying to achieve more, but I'm a distracted person. So I guess the next thing that I'm proud of this year is keeping at least 30 minutes of me time in your schedule or in your to-do list or whatever that you use to achieve your productivity. I personally use to-do list, as I already said. So yeah, every day I make sure that I have at least 30 minutes to myself where I don't talk to anyone, don't think about studies or work or my videos. I just sit calmly and relax. So I basically do it just before going to sleep, like those 30 minutes or 1 hour. I just simply either put on my earphones and listen to some good podcast or music, or I just simply switch over to books, which are of course better option. So now the one that I'm gonna talk about is one of my favorite lessons from one of my favorite creator, Jay Shetty. So in one of his video, he say that every day or weekly or monthly you should write chits about some amazing things that happened with you, and you can put those chit in a jar, and at the end of the year or the beginning of the next year you should just take out and read those chits, and you would know that how well your year went. And so I started doing it. I'm still continuing it. I started it during January this year, and I guess yeah, I really would love to read all those chits at the end of this year. I'm just excited to know how really amazing my year went. So this is a very amazing way of knowing how good the things went and to express some real gratitude. That brings me to my next point, gratitude practice. I mean, as I always say that gratitude is a part of human nature, and we human beings these days are so busy ignoring it. Why would you do that? I guess it's because that we are skipping gratitude practice that we are having these existential crisis stuff. I mean, if you are grateful for stuffs happening in your life, you would never feel that living is a mistake. So yeah, start doing gratitude practices. All you need to do is at the end of the day or the beginning of the day, you need to think about all the good things in your life. It can be something as simple as waking up in the morning. Just be happy about it. There's nothing bad in that. One more amazing habit that you can add to your day-to-day life is of reading at least one chapter of a self-help book each day. It can be anything. I mean, I there are very few self-help books that I have truly liked, and I guess I'm gonna recommend two as well, which is Life's Amazing Secret by Gaur Gopal Das ji, and another one is Tuesdays with Mori by Mitch Album. And I just can't stress how amazing both the books really are. You need to check them out. What reading self-help book really does is that it gives you those daily dose of a little positivity in your life. Even when your day is bad, you can simply switch to these one chapter and you can feel relatively calmer. You need to try this out. It really works, at least for me, and it will work for you as well. So guys, with this I'm gonna end this video here because there are a few more points that I wanted to discuss, but if I go on discussing this in the same video, this video might just stretch to 20 minutes, which I really don't want. So this was a part 1 of the things that I learned in 2021, and very soon I'm gonna put up the video of things I learned in 2021 part 2, where I will be talking about some of my most proud habits. So yeah, till then, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to it, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon. Who forgets that? And also, I just hope that you like the video, so please hit the like button. It's as easy as that. So with this, I'm gonna say bye bye to you guys. And guys, remember to always be consistently curious. Bye.